Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, we give review about skincare and hair care products. So today, we are going to discuss more about a skincare product called Face Fat Collagen Serum. I know that most of you may have known this face serum, but for those who doesn't know more about it, I will give you more secrets and more review about this product. Face Fat Collagen Serum helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your face. The serum is very active in terms of clearing away the wrinkles and fine lines on your face. The serum helps to improve your skin youthful elasticity and firmness with our collagen serum. The serum is formulated with restoring collagen and nourishing amino acid. It gets to work on the visible signs of aging, gently hydrating and renewing the skin surface while helping to smooth fine lines. You can see that this serum is very good. It has an active ingredient that helps to clear away the wrinkles on your face and fine lines. Some people might have wrinkles on their face, but they will think that it's an old age. No, it's not old age, but your skin is not good. So I will advise you use the Face Fat Collagen Serum, because this serum is very good to the skin and face. It is very good. It helps to clear the wrinkle and fine line. And before you apply this serum, there is a way you have to use it before it will work. You cannot just come out and start applying a serum and be expecting a result. No, that's the way you have to use it. How to use Face Fat Collagen Serum? It can be used either morning or evening. In the morning, apply a few drops of the serum directly on your face before applying makeup. Before you apply a makeup, make sure you have applied the serum directly on your face before you apply makeup. Gently massage into the skin until fully absorbed. You can see that some people, once they apply a face serum on their face, they won't massage it very well. They'll just apply it and leave it like that. No, you must massage the face serum on your skin so that it will be absorbed. And in the evening, apply a few drops of the serum directly onto a cleansed, dry skin. Gently massage it into the skin until fully absorbed and leave it overnight. Do not wash your face after applying the Face Fat Collagen Serum in the night, because some people at 6 p.m. they will apply the serum, or 7 p.m. they will apply it. After 1 hour, they will go and wash their face off. No. Leave the serum on your face to the next day. You don't need to wash it off. The serum supposed to work on your face. It will help to clear the fine lines on your face and wrinkles. So the benefit of applying Face Fat Collagen Serum on your face: one, it helps to clear the fine lines on your face, because some people have fine lines. They have used many products, but it's not working. But try this Face Fat Collagen Serum, it will definitely work. Two, it helps to clear away wrinkles on your face. The Face Fat Serum contains collagen amino acid, and this ingredient helps to clear the wrinkles on your face. Face Fat Collagen Serum has a very good ingredient that is very active. Caution: avoid contact with eye. Please return information for future reference. Here are some of the ingredients of Face Fat Collagen Serum, although I won't mention all the ingredients, but I'll just list out some. Number one is water, glycerin, collagen, sodium, botane, perfume, castor oil, and the rest. So this serum is very good. If you haven't used this serum, try and use it. Then if you have used it before, please tell us how the serum works on the face. Drop your comment on the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.